want to find the greatest common factor of, well, let's start with part A, x cubed, x squared, and x to the fifth. Well, first let's remember what the greatest common factor is. Right, the greatest common factor is the largest factor that evenly divides all the terms. Okay, so when you have exponents like this, we have x cubed, x squared, and x to the fifth. It's the smallest, it's always the GCF gets the smallest exponent, always. Okay, so GCF gets the smallest exponent. Okay, so right here we have x cubed, x squared, and x to the fifth, so the GCF is simply x squared. Why? Well, if we did anything larger, say we did x cubed, well, this is the GCF by definition is the largest factor that evenly divides all the other terms. So if we chose x cubed, that wouldn't divide x squared. But we can divide all of these other terms by x squared, right? If we did x cubed divided by x squared, those cancel, leaving us with just x. So that works. But x squared over x cubed, now we have weird, we don't have a nice division. We get something like 1 over x, which is not what we want. Okay, so a good way to remember it is the GCF is always the one with the smallest exponent. Okay, so let's check out part B here. We have 15y squared, 5y to the 7th, and negative 20y cubed. All right, so here we go, the GCF of part B. Well, I already know, let's just look at the y's. We have y squared, y to the 7th, and y cubed. So I already know that whatever these coefficients are, we know it's going to have a y squared because that's the smallest exponent. And GCF gets the smallest exponent always. So it's going to be something times y squared. Okay, so now we have 15, 5, and negative 20 to look at. We want to find the largest number that evenly divides all three of these. Well, we're really limited here because we have 5 itself. Okay, 5 and 1 are the only options that evenly divide 5. So let's see, does the number 5 evenly divide 15 and negative 20? Yes, it does. So this 5 is the largest number that evenly divides 5, 15, and 20. Therefore, our GCF here for part B is 5y squared.